Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. As you know, I am bringing no crypto project in which you can invest and get profits. So today we bring a new amazing blockchain project. Its name is Kanch. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Guys, you can check here Kanch blockchain project interface. You can see this secured by 3600 nodes, instant token generation, lowest gas fee 0.0001, blockchain asset project, real world asset project. You can check here and you can see this more detail about this blockchain project. Kanch commanding the future, unyielding interest, revolutionizing blockchain, a new layer 1 with 1.4 mtps 1 second block timing, 3600 nodes and near zero gas fee. Now guys, you can check here, you can click this, then you can start building now. You can buy Kanch now. So guys, this project Kanch network pre-sale is live now. You can check here. So guys, you can buy now. You can click this and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here Kanch pre-sale page is open. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect your wallet now. Then you can see this Kanch network empowering the next billion users. 0.1 second. You can see this near zero gas fees. You can check here revolutionizing blockchain for the future. Be part of movement. Join the pre-sale now. So guys, you can join the pre-sale now. You can check here stage 1 by Kanch now. You can see this current price $0.01, next stage price $0.015. You can check here. You can see this one Kanch price. You can see this raised amount. You can check here. So guys, you can select network Ethereum or USDT. So I select network Ethereum. Then you can enter your Ethereum amount. For example, I enter Ethereum amount 200. Then you can receive Kanch blockchain token amount. You can check here. So guys, first of all, you can connect your wallet. Then you can buy now and swap now. You can see this. You can refer your friend now. You can check here how to buy. You can click this and see this how to buy. You can check here all procedures, step by step guide to buying Kanch. Not you can check here step 1, prepare your wallet. Use a decentralized wallet compatible with Wallet Connect such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Ensure your wallet is set to the Ethereum network ERC20. You can see this and next guy, you can check here step 2, fund your wallet with Ethereum. You can check here step 3, visit the Kanch pre-sale platform. You can check here or pre-sale link of Kanch. Select you can payment methods Ethereum or USD. Step 5, enter your purchasing amount. And next guys, step 6, improve, and then you can confirm the transaction. Step 6, success. You can see this all process how to buy. So I already discussed this how to buy in step by step. You can check here buying Kanch using a credit and debit card. Not you can see this number 1, buy Ethereum using card. You can see this step 2, purchase Kanch. You can check here. And next guy, you can see this Kanch network revolutionizing blockchain implementation with unparalleled speed, AI driven efficiency and decentralized governance. You can see this all detailed roadmap. So guys, you can click here, then you can go to the roadmap of this project. You can see this page is loading, then you can see this roadmap. Guys, you can check here roadmap page is open. Our roadmap to the future. Join us on exciting journey as we build the future of decentralized technology. Here's a look at the key milestones that will shape the evolution of Kanch network. So guys, you can check here customer 1 2023 conceptual blueprint, details research and development white paper drafting, stakeholder engagement. You can check here and guys, you can see the customer 2 2023 architectural foundation, architecture design, tokenomics framework, development environment setup. And guys, you can see the customer 3 2023 core development consensus mechanism implementation protocol development smart contract platform. Customer 4 2023 refinement phase, security edits, performance testing, code optimizations. Customer 1 2024 user experience design, value development, browser extension, blockchain explorer. And next you can see customer 2 2024 testnet deployment, community engagement, bug bounty program, iterative improvements. Customer 4 2024 mainnet launch, mainnet deployment, documentation, completion, marketing, and adoptions. And next guy, you can see the customer one 2025 and beyond, ongoing maintenance, governance framework, network monitoring and support, ecosystem expansion, regular upgrades and enhancement. Next guy, you can check here. And next we go to pre-sale page. And next guys, you can see this white paper. You can click here and see this white paper page is loading. Guys, you can check here white paper open. Welcome to Kanch Network documentation. You can see this all detail. What is Kanch Network? You can check here key features of this project. Getting started for developers, for businesses, for ethicists. You can see this for detail. You can check here. You can stay connected in following social media platform. You can check here. Next guy, you can see the GSON RPC. You can click here and see this GSON RPC detail, Kanch Explorer detail, Kanch Hub, Kanch domains, Chrome extension, iOS App Store, Android Play Store, testnet FaceArt, network status. You can check here all the white paper of this project. You can see this. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, we go to this project main site website. So we go to visit main site. You can see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this our main website page is open. You can check here more details, the future of blockchain, discover Kanch network, the next generation layer, one blockchain built for unmatched speed and scalability. Kanch network sets a new benchmark in blockchain performance, processing up to 1.4 million transactions per second with block time as fast as 0.8 seconds. You can check here retail. Next guy, you can see these blocks produced. You can see this amount on chain transaction. You can see this block time 0.8 second. Every transaction costs $0.0001. You can see this. Next guy, you can check here. Welcome to Kanch network. Kanch network is not just another blockchain. It's a revolutionary technology based to transform the industry with record-breaking transaction speed of 1.4 million TPS and near zero gas fee. You can check here. You can see this unmatched speed and scalability. You can see the 0.8 second block timing, developer friendly ecosystem. You can see this energy efficient consensus, robust decentralization. You can check here. And next guy, you can see this lightning fast blockchain with 1.4 million transactions per second and 0.8 second block times. Kanch ensures lightning fast and seamless performance for global scale applications. And next guy, you can scroll down and see this more detail. Seamless instant transfer for real world assets, experience seamless secure and instant transfer for real world assets on our blockchain, enabling rapid transactions across global market in real time. You can see that you can get transferred fastly through real world asset to blockchain asset. You can check here all procedure. Next guy, you can see this project have lowest gas fees. You can check here experience the future of blockchain with near zero gas fee, making transaction faster, cheaper and more accessible than ever before. You can check here all detail. Next guy, you can see this secured by 3600 nodes. Kanch network is secured by 3600 decentralized nodes, providing unmatched reliability and protection. This distributed architecture ensures that every transaction is validated. You can check here. And next guy, you can see this leading the blockchain revolutionization. You can see this. And next guy, you can check here partner of this project Kanch blockchain, Avi.ai, DAO starter, Digibuy. You can see this Dim AI. You can check here Layer Edge. You can see this RC coin. You can see this all is the partner of this project Kanch blockchain. Next guy, you can check here Kanch articles. You can check here all Kanch article. You can see this. And next guy, you can check here Kanch Explorer, Kanch Hub, Kanch Bridge, stacking detail. You can check here. And next guy, you can see this. You can get started now. You can check here center stage, mission, technology, blog post, and you can check here ecosystems. You can see this tokenomics roadmap, performance metrics, validator, use case, our network. So we go to tokenomics. You can click here and see this page is loading. Tokenomics of this project, tokenomics powering our futures. You can check here. You can see this. Ticker, you can circulating supply, you can check here loading maximum supply, you can see this stacked, you can check here active validator, total stack in ecosystem, number of valids, volume, market cap, you can see this and guys you can check here token distribution of this project, pre-sale 62%, listing and liquidity to 10%, advisor 3%, team 7%, Khan Foundation 10%, marketing 7%, coal key opinion leader 1%. You can see this all is the tokenomics of this project. Next guy you can check here developer, you can see this Khan hub integration, documents, brand assets, developer tools, you can see this. And next guy you can see this community guy, you can join this project on following social media platform Telegram, Twitter, Discord. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can check here Khan's network official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and give information about this project. You can check here all videos and photos about this project Khan's blockchain. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post. And next we back to the home page, and next we go to this project Telegram group chat community. You can click here and see this page is loading, it's take time. Then you can see this Khan's network official Telegram group chat community is open. You can check here 361 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. You can see this description detail. Join our lighting fast Khan's blockchain with near zero fees web3 spot 1.4 mtps shape the decentralized world now. So guys, you can join now. And next we back to the home page. Next guys, you can check here explorer detail, wallets, extensions, stacking, bridge swap. You can see this. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.